Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India aims to increase economic cooperation. India wants to reduce its trade deficit and get better access for Indian products like medicines and farm goods in the Russian market. Odisha Deputy Chief Minister KV Singh Dev urged farmers, scientists and other groups to adopt natural and climate resilient farming to protect soil fertility for future generations. Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers JP Nadda said in the parliament that reducing GST on micronutrient fertilizers from 12% to 5% has lowered production costs for small and marginal farmers who are sensitive to price changes. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said the government is committed to improving agriculture and farmers' welfare. He stressed that value addition, modern machines and integrated farming systems are important for better income and the government will support these areas. Thailand's rice prices increased to a multi-month high due to flood-related supply concerns, while rice prices in India and Vietnam dropped to near 1 month lows. India's exports were strong in the first half of financial year 2025 and 26 but have now slowed. A major reason is the sharp rise in US tariffs which made Indian goods less competitive. Because of this, India's exports to the US fell by 8.5% in October, marking the second month of decline after the US imposed a 50% tariff in late August 2025. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah encouraged farmers to use new crop varieties and modern tools developed by researchers to increase profits. He spoke at the inauguration of Krishi Mela 2025 at the new University of Agricultural Sciences campus in Mandya. Maharashtra installed 45,911 solar agriculture pumps in just 1 month under the Megil Taila Saur Krishi Pump scheme. This achievement has been recognized by the Guinness World Records, according to MSEDCL. Karnataka Agriculture Minister inaugurated the Electric Tractor Mela at the College of Horticulture in Bengaluru. The event was organized by NRDC along with Wilgrow and Moonrider and supported by the Center of Excellence for Farmer Producer Organizations. Rice milling in Punjab is slowing down. Millers already facing problems from flood-damaged paddy now have additional delays because the center has introduced pre-testing of fortified rice kernels and stricter quality checks for rice supplied to the Food Corporation of India. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Commodity Today for your daily dose of agri-market news. Until then, stay productive, stay informed and have a great day ahead. Thank you.